Hi guys, it's Ivo here. I really just wanted to make a video on this really annoying problem that I've been having in the last 2 weeks, which is this stupid video engine not working for Steinberg software, specifically Cubase and Nuendo. So I've been battling that the last 2 weeks and breaking my head over why this video engine won't start in Cubase. And I'm using Cubase 7.5, but I've also tried it on older software, Nuendo 5, and it wasn't working on either of those programs. So I figured out it must be something to do with QuickTime. And as of April 2016, QuickTime has been discontinued for Windows, which obviously doesn't help. And basically, what happens with QuickTime and Cubase is if you go to ms-config and you go to startup and you go through your startup items to where it says QuickTime, what I was getting was for the QuickTime task, it was not registering QuickTime in the right folder. So it wasn't sure where to look for QuickTime. And then the other thing was it was pointing to qttask.exe, which in the new version of QuickTime doesn't actually exist. They removed it from the folder. So if you have QuickTime as a startup item, it's pointing to this exe file that's not actually there. So it doesn't actually get initialized. So this is a huge problem because the QuickTime task actually needs to run in the background for your video engine to work. So what I did was I went to QuickTime and I looked for an older version of QuickTime, and I downloaded the QuickTime 7.6 version, which was the slightly older one, and installed it. And with the old one, it actually creates that qttask.exe file. So if we search for that, if we search for that in QuickTime, it's right over there, as you can see, Qt task. So that actually still exists, and that we need to have to run the video engine. So if you're having problems with that, just uninstall your the newest version of QuickTime, which is obviously they recommend you not having QuickTime installed at all because it's a security threat. But in order for your video engine to work, you need, or at least for me, for Cubase 7.5, I'm not sure if QuickTime has the same issues with newer versions of Cubase. So if you guys know that there's a fix for this in the newer versions of Cubase, then I'd appreciate a comment in the description, in the comment section. Would be cool if you guys could let me know. Other than that, install QuickTime 7.6 and also check when you are starting Cubase that it actually picks up on the video player. So that in this initializing box, it should say video player and video engine. So if that initializes properly, then you should be good to go. So video file handling, if you saw that, and video player, there we go. So if I just open a new project and import a video file, it actually lets me get to this window. If you are having problems even getting to the window where you can open videos, then QuickTime's not working properly. So if I just open a video, it works, as you can see, and all is good. There we go. So I hope you guys manage with this, and hope that your video engine works again.